This is the iRobot Roomba Vac Essential, one of the most hyped vacuum cleaners on the market. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and have also tested other popular vacuum cleaners in the past. So, in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about this product and how it compares to its competitors. Inside the box, you'll find the Roomba Vac Essential vacuum cleaner, a power cord, a home-based charging station, and a user manual. I had a pretty easy time setting this one up. Just place the Roomba on the dock to charge, download the iRobot Home app on your phone, sign in or create an account, and then follow the instructions in the app. It'll guide you through everything, from connecting to Wi-Fi to naming the Roomba. I also found it very simple to use. You can start a cleaning session by pressing the clean button on the device or using the app. The app also lets you schedule cleanings, so it runs automatically at your preferred time. I also think the design is really nice. It measures about 13 inches around and 3 inches in height, making it compact enough to save space, but not so small that you'll trip over or lose it. It also weighs only about 6 pounds, making it easy to move or store. Plus, its sleek black design blends well with just about any decor. I've been really impressed with this vacuum. It cleans both my hard floors and carpets really well, effectively picking up dirt and pet hair. It even does a great job cleaning corners and edges, which has been really convenient for me. Now, this model doesn't have a mop feature like the Roomba Combo J5 Plus or the Roomba Y0140, nor does it include an auto empty dock like the Roomba Vacuum 2 and the Roomba J7 Plus. However, it still offers plenty of great features. Personally, I really like it because it keeps things simple, doing exactly what I need without the added cost of premium features I don't use. Plus, it runs quietly and efficiently. I can set it to clean when I'm not home, use spot cleaning for areas that need extra attention, and it navigates under and around furniture with ease. I also get about 120 minutes of vacuuming on a single charge, which is more than enough. Adding the iRobot Roomba Vac Essential to my home and cleaning routine has made my life so much easier. It provides reliable cleaning with very little effort on my part. If you're looking for a new vacuum cleaner, then I strongly recommend this.